Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here we are having trading sessions together, and on my channel you'll find so many useful information for your trading. How to trade with indicator, without indicator, how to trade on days off or on working days. Please check out more videos if you have struggles with trading, and I'm sure my videos will help you out in that. Also, I have YouTube shorts where I also post short tutorials about the trading. Everything for you guys. I want to be useful with my content, and it really warms my heart when you text me that it really helps you out. So guys, before we'll start, please don't forget to put a big thumb up to this video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, let's get started and let me explain what we are going to do today. So guys, today we're going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help technical analysis we are going to use with you indicator Awesome Oscillator. This indicator will help us to predict which volumes prevail on the market, to increase or decrease. And to connect this indicator, we should click this button in the lower left corner, select the Awesome Oscillator from the list. We'll have all the settings by default, nothing needs to be changed. Our indicator consists of horizontal line with a mark of 0, and as well as a red histogram. And the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, red histogram is formed, and this means that volumes are growing downwards. Also, when, for example, the red histogram begins to change its color to green, and after that the green histogram continues to form, that is accordingly, it means that the volumes for the increase are growing, and in the near future the price will move up. As you can see, there are different situations on the market, therefore it is important to pay attention to the support and resistance levels, as well as the trading situation as a whole, because only a competent combination of technical analysis and the indicator together will give us a good results. Today we'll try to look for working situations in the market, and we'll try to make profit. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end. Perhaps you will like this way of trading and you will use it on your own trading. So guys, let's get started and find the first entry point. Here we have a level of support at the bottom. We also see there is a downward movement at the moment. The price is moving down quite confidently. Also, at the same time, we see that a red histogram is formed, and this means that volumes are growing for going down. In the near future, the price will move down. So in such a situation as just opening a deal for 3 minutes to go down, it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. 3 minutes will also take it the time with the margin, take into account possible pro trade and roll back up. And I hope that time will be enough for us guys, and we will work on this downward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. As you can see, the price continued to move downwards, and we made a profit. We managed to make money with you on this downward movement, and this indicator turned out to be right again. It suggests us really good entry point, so I think it's a good start. Let's continue guys. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is some kind of compression, so let's open a deal for 1 minute to go up. Since the price here also has a great potential for going up, the main price minimums getting higher, it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Also, at the same time, we see that a green histogram is formed, which also in turn tells us that in the near future the price will move up. I hope that in this situation 1 minute here will be quite enough for us guys, and we will work with you on this upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, not bad guys. As you can see, the price continues to move up. The resistance level was indeed broken, and here we are making profit. This indicator also turned out to be right again. It gave us a real good entry point. Everything goes perfectly. Let's continue guys. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that there was a pullback down from the level, and after a while the price turned around and is again approaching our level. Also, the main price lows are getting higher, and the overall price potential is going up. In this situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level, since we also see that the green histogram is being formed here. Volumes are going to increase, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. 2 minutes will also take time with the margin, take into account possible pro trade or roll back down. I hope that in this situation this time will be enough for us, guys, so let's wait for the result. Quite good, guys. As you can see, after the pullback down, the upward movement continued and we made a profit here. We managed to work with you on this upward movement, and 2 minutes here was quite enough for us, guys. So let's continue and find that situation on the market. Here we also have resistance level. We see that after the rollback the price came up to our level, and at the same time we also see that the green histogram is being formed. Volumes are growing for increase. In the near future the price will move up. We'll open a deal with you here for 2 minutes to go up. This is the second touch of this level in the last 10 minutes. It is more likely that the breakout will occur in the near future, and we'll try to make money on this upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great, guys, as you can see the price has continued to move up, and here we are making a profit. I really managed to make money on breaking through the resistance level. Also the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point, guys. These situations work well. Let's continue, guys, find another situation in the market. Here at the top we have resistance level. We also see that there was a pullback from the level, and now the price has turned around and moving up. Also, the overall potential of the price at the same time goes up. A green histogram is formed on the indicator, and this means that the volumes for the increase are growing. In this situation, I think we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in this situation it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. I hope that 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, guys, and the price is moving slowly but confidently. I hope that we'll be able to make money with you on this upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, quite good. As you can see, the price has really continued to move to the level and we are making profit here. The indicator really gave us a good entry point and we managed to make money with you on this upward movement. We also see that after touching the resistance level there was a pullback down. This level has not been broken yet, but at the same time we also see that there was a false breakout earlier. It is quite possible that in the near future this level will still be fully broken, and therefore we will try to open the next deal here. Let's go back for 2 minutes to go up. At the same time we also see that a red histogram was formed during the pullback. This situation can also be counted as an error. This is a false signal because this can sometimes happen during pullbacks or when the price in the pro-trading zone. It is important in such situation to pay attention on the general trading situation as a whole. I think the price will still continue to move towards the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. I think that's great, guys. As you can see, the price continues to move up. Here we have time to make a profit. 2 minutes in this situation was just enough for us, guys, even despite the fact that red histogram was formed. At the moment the price seems to be moving in the pro-trading zone. Now I'm going to watch the price for a bit and perhaps we'll open the next deal here. So guys, we see that there was an exit from the pro-trading zone and the price is approached the resistance level. In this situation I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future this level will still be broken. At the same time we also see that after the red histogram, a green histogram begins to form, which in turn also tells us that in the near future the price will move up. There is a clear compression of this level. I hope that in the next 2 minutes there will still be a breakout. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, this level was still broken. Here we get a great and confident profit, guys. 2 minutes was just enough for us. Also, the indicator in turn again suggested us a good entry point. Indeed, the volumes for the increase began to grow. The price was steadily moving up and we managed to work out with you 3 deals in a row on these currency pairs, which means that our technical analysis was correct. And as you can see that competent combination of technical analysis and the indicator sales give us a really good result. So let's continue, guys. Here at the top we have a resistance level. Also at the same time we see that there was a good confident upward movement. The price has reached the level, and after touching there is a slight pullback down. In this situation I will try to open a deal literally for 1 minute to go up. Since the price has an excellent potential for an increase, it is more likely that this level will still be broken, guys, in the near future. Also at the same time we see that the indicator confirms our entry point. A green histogram was formed. I hope that we'll be able to make with you, we will earn with you on this upward movement. And just at the moment a good confident impulse green candle was being formed. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up. Also, this level has been broken through and we have time to work with you on this upward movement. The indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. The price has a really great potential for going up. Everything is going great, guys. Let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that the price has broken through this level and is moving up. We will open a deal, guys, with you here for 1 minute to go up. I think that in the near future the price will still move up because the price has an excellent potential for going up. At the same time we also see that a green histogram is being formed. The volumes are growing for an increase. I hope that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough for us, guys. So let's wait for the result. Alright, that's great, guys. As you can see, there was a rollback down, but after that the upward movement continued to with a good confident impulse green candle, and we managed to earn with you precisely on breaking through the resistance level. The indicator also was right again and gave us really good entry point, and indeed the volumes for the increase began to grow. The price was moving up. Meanwhile, guys, I already have $20,000 on my deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today, so now I will try to find a good situation and we will continue, guys. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. Also after touching the resistance level there was a pullback down, and after a while the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time we also see that after the red histogram a green histogram begins to form, and this means that the volumes for the increase are beginning to grow. In the near future the price will move up. Let's try in this situation open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We also take 2 minutes with the margin, take into account possible pro trade, guys. So let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. Quite good indeed. After a small pro trading zone, the upward movement continues and we made a profit here. We managed to make money with you on this upward movement, and meanwhile I already have $30,000 on my deposit. Amazing. Perfect. We did it, guys, today, and I suggest we end here because I fulfill my trading plan for today, and I don't advise you, if you fulfill your trading plan, I don't advise you to, continue to do trading. If you made your plan, that's it, it's enough. So yeah, it's enough for today, guys. That's it for today, guys, and all the market situations worked out perfectly today. Also, with the right approach, this strategy works really perfect. And guys, what you can do is to try to connect this indicator and find similar situations in the market, for example, what we had today, and try to work on them. Don't forget that trading is about experience, and of course, you have to train and trade as much as possible, so you will build up your unique experience and you will see that trading is not a struggle for you anymore and you get the profit you wanted. Never give up and always follow your goals, guys. And I want to remind you that I have a closed group. It's like our closed community where I'm sharing trading signals for free. This is my trading signals, and if you are interested in that, how to get into this group, you should text me a code word signal on my Telegram account. The link will be down below, super easy. And yeah, the only thing I want to say before I'm leaving you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a big thumb up to this video if you didn't put it yet. And I guess that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video and I wish you to have a successful trading. Bye bye.